Connect electrical power. Machine backside, gas, main power, foot switch, water inlet, water outlet, AC. Insert water inlet and outlet pipe. Prepare 1 bottle purified water bottle. Bottle size is better about 18.9升. Put water inlet pipe into water bottle. Open AC switch. You will see water chiller will also open. Open emergency switch. You will see touch screen will open. Open add water switch. It will auto pump water into water chiller. When water chiller is full, it will stop alarm and the lamp become normal. We can close the switch off, add water. Press on switch, it will auto booting. When booting well, it will show laser stat into ready. In the screen system, parameter items, set welding parameter, set items, which can change language. Parameter item a set current with frequency. Focus when it is 0.8 毫米, it mean on focus. Lamp adjust switch, it can change the lamp bright and not. Fan switch, let fan work or not. Parameter item adjust bar. Connect foot switch. We can weld without press touch screen. Close step. Press on. Make sure to shut down. Choose yes. Close a C switch.